In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create multiple sales pipeline in Zoho CRM. We're going to start by building what I like to call a stage master list. This is the foundation for having multiple, clean, and consistent pipelines inside your Zoho CRM account. By setting this up correctly, you make it much easier to track deals, forecast revenue, and keep your team all speaking the same language when it comes to sales stages. First, log into your Zoho CRM account and look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the small gear icon, which represents the setup area. Go ahead and click on that. This is where all of your configuration options live, so anytime you're customizing fields, modules, or pipelines, you'll usually start here. Once you're inside Setup, find the section called Customization. Under Customization, click on Modules and Fields. This is the part of Zoho CRM where you control what each module looks like and how information is structured. On the Modules and Fields page, locate the Deals module. You might see several modules listed, but you're specifically interested in Deals because that's where your sales pipeline stages are managed. Hover your mouse over the Deals module until you see a small icon with 3 dots, often called the More icon. Click on that to reveal additional options for deals. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Stage Probability Mapping. This screen is crucial. It lets you define every possible deal stage and the likelihood or probability that a deal in that stage will close. This is what powers your sales forecasting. Now start adding all the stage names you need for your different sales pipelines. For example, you might have stages like Ready-Made Order and Made to Order, along with any other stages that match your specific sales process. For each stage you create, assign a probability value, usually as a percentage. Earlier stages in the pipeline will have a lower probability, while stages closer to closing will be higher. Take a moment to think this through, because consistent probabilities make your reports and forecasts much more accurate. When you're finished entering your stages and their probability values, double-check everything for spelling and order, then click Save. This locks in your stage master list and ensures these stages are available when you set up and manage multiple pipelines within the Deals module.